working, and yeah, let's do it. So I got some problem. What's my solution? Go in here. Hey, your solution is simple. Just answer the question. Lol, what a very ironic thing, right? But look at there now. Hey, your solution is simple. Just answer the question. See, there you go. Bam. Now I want to tell you guys something earlier. I was going to try to tell you is that before I was trying to do some stuff where I was trying to update the ticket status, but I couldn't update it directly because when I clicked on the thing, it didn't have any place to put it. Well, actually, there's a way you can do it, and I'll show you in a later video. I just want to mention it. Okay, so now look here. So now we got, here's my problem, here's a solution. Now you no longer see it. It doesn't really have to be priority anymore too, does it? Because you already answered it. But let's just say it's still priority for now. So the only thing we really need to be able to do is change the status, right? So let's change the status. So I'm gonna grab this down. What we can do, just to make it prettier, is under status. Remember how I had an icon here before and I removed it? Well, I'm gonna add that icon back, I think. Or we could get people used to this thing, and they'll just have to know that these different icons have different meanings, right? So one of them can mean a status change. So look for a status. So status. What we used before for status? Do you remember? What could the status be? Remember, it could be any icon you want, really. So it does. This is like a little status, right? Yeah, it's like a little status icon. Okay, so we don't want it. We'll make it purple. Yeah. All right. So when we want to change the status, we'll double click on the status. Click. All right. And this one. Close. Add. Link. New screen. Update. Status. Alright. So now we're going to go to the status, pass the current thing there. Here we can copy this. Let's see, we want some information showing up. Maybe the ticket name, something we want to be still there. Maybe the ticket name, and then yeah, just add a status. So here, to do that, remember, a status is actually a drop down. So we're going to go into forms and we're going to go to drop down here. In this case, it doesn't belong to nothing. So what we're going to do, we're going to go ticket statuses, all ticket statuses, because we just want all the statuses. We'll do it in order. Okay, so we got the ticket name, we got the status, and then we need to add a button. So I'm going to copy this button here, put it over here, update status. Right, so now we're updating the status, and then we just have to go inside of. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully, you know, this is getting interesting. It's going to be interesting, and it's going to be useful for you creating your own personal app and good experience. And I will try my best to give the details so that you don't leave yourself any kind of confusion. But if you like this video and you like the other videos, please like, subscribe, suggest, share, and I'll see you in the next video. Yeah.